our gardening experience, there are some common problems. You may have a question in your mind. Why are my plants' leaves yellow? If you have such questions, then please watch today's video. This is only around 4-minute video. I have lots of information about this, so please watch the full video. Leaf yellowing is known as chlorosis, where the leaves turn light green and the veins turn dark green. If a plant develops chlorosis, the most common things are high light, uses of lots of water, and the most common is malnutrition. 16 kinds of micronutrients and macronutrients are required for healthy plant. The main mineral deficit is iron. Some people believe that if we use nails in the soil, the plant will be green again. My mom used this method, but it is not working. In this plant, my mom used a different method, and it is successful. After treatment, look at the plant's view. It is totally healthy and leaves became green. Now I will explain what is the trick. We already knew that the main cause is the malnutrition. So we have to add high iron fertilizer or soil additive. So dig the soil and remove all the unwanted plants. Now add sufficient amount of compost. This compost my mom made from kitchen waste. If you have bioenzyme, then use 5 ml of bioenzyme with 1 liter of water and then mix it with the soil. Bioenzyme helps to absorb all kinds of nutrients from the soil. After 1 week of this treatment, it will help to change color and health of the plant. But sometimes you have to add more compost or more bioenzyme after 15 days. Now my mom will add banana peel fertilizer to the plant to help the flowers bloom. If you want to know how to make banana peel fertilizer, stay in touch with us and we will surely upload a video how to make it. We have already uploaded how to make bioenzyme, so you can watch that video. See, this is a mealybug, and in last video we already showed how to get rid of mealybugs, so you can watch that video. This is another type of plant after getting treatment. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.